Hi, in this video I want to show you how to easy and safety you can use Google Drive and Bitrix24. First of all, we must install app. Go to our sites, choose Bitrix24, Documents and Google Drive integrations. After that, go to your portal and just copy your domain. Try it for free. Put your domain name here and press install. It's official app, everything is good. Okay, you can read this and install. Okay, everything is fine. If you have license key for these applications, you can enter here and just press something like activate key. If you don't have, you must take a demo period. Put here your real email, because here you will be get your license key and press activate. Okay, everything is good. Now we must do some settings. Okay, let's imagine that you have some folder that you need to integrate with Bitrix24. I just create example folder, and for example, this is your company folder, and you must share with all your company. You must change this, and always the link can, for example, view. Done. And this, for example, contracts, you must share, for example, with this person. This is general access, Google Drive access. And go here, take add, okay, just company folder, go to this folder and just copy this AD, put here, for example, this will be this, this for all, access for all. Okay, good. Go to G Drive, and here we have our folder. We can embedding, for example, in lead, deal, and this on. Okay, save. Waiting. Good. Press add, go back, contract, okay, not contract, for example, HR. We go here, copy this, HR, token, for example, it will be small, not all, you can just select person. I have person here, for example, for administrator only, and save. G Drive. Okay, we have folder like a list, embedding, employee menu, employee card, save. Okay, we have a placement like in menu, and we have a placement in CRM. Go to CRM, deal, and elite actually. Okay, open some deal. G Drive company folder. You can put here folder like your document or something like that. You can just open. Okay, everything correct. And actually we embedding here, but we need to wait some time, because it's like 2 or maybe 3 hours, because the menu is caching. I just show you in our menu. It's like this. And actually when the employee didn't have access, they will receive like standard access warning from Google Drive, and they can just request, I need this, and request access. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching, and if you have some questions or maybe you need some help, you just can write to us, and we try to help you. Okay, bye.